Are you worried that AI is writing code faster than you can? How do you transition from a traditional developer to a high-value AI architect in 2026? Let's learn with the Coder Therapist.
Hey, don't worry. I'm right here by your side, ready to help you achieve your dreams. The industry is shifting. By 2026, we aren't just writing syntax, we are orchestrating intelligence. To become an AI architect, you need to shift your mindset from how do I code this loop to how do I design a system that thinks. Today, let's learn and grow together as we build a 5-minute roadmap focusing on the 3 pillars of modern AI architecture: vector databases, RAG pipelines, and orchestration.
Inside Chapter 1, we're going to learn about the foundation of AI memory, vector databases.
As a traditional developer, you are used to SQL databases. You can think of a SQL database as a strict filing cabinet. Everything needs an exact label to be found. But AI doesn't work like that. AI works with meaning. You need to get a good grasp of embeddings. This is where we turn text into numbers, lists of coordinates called vectors.
Think of a vector database not as a filing cabinet, but as a map of concepts. It stores these vectors so the AI can understand that kitten is closer to cat than it is to car, even though the words look nothing alike. To be an architect in 2026, you must master tools like Pinecone, Weaviate, or Milvus. You need to understand how to chunk your data, index it, and retrieve it based on semantic similarity. This is the long-term memory of your application.
Now that we have memory, how do we use it? Inside Chapter 2, we focus on RAG and orchestration. RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. Let me show you the explanation along with a diagram. Imagine an LLM is a brilliant professor, but he has amnesia. He doesn't know about your company's private data. If you ask him a specific question, he might hallucinate. RAG is like handing that professor a textbook right before he answers the question. You retrieve the relevant facts from your vector database and feed them to the AI.
But how do you glue this all together? You need orchestration tools. Get familiar with frameworks like LangChain and LlamaIndex. You can think of these as the control center. They manage the flow of data between your user, your database, and the AI models. As an architect, you aren't just calling an API, you're designing chains or agents, autonomous workflows where the AI decides which tools to use to solve a problem.
Finally, let's look at the big picture. Building a demo is easy, designing for production is hard. You need to really dive into the technical side of ML ops and evaluation. When you move to an architect role, you must answer the tough questions. How do we handle latency when the vector search takes too long? How do we secure private data so the LLM doesn't leak it? How do we measure if the AI's answer is actually correct? Focus on practicing system design trade-offs. You might need to choose between a cheaper, faster model or a slower, smarter one. You need to design guardrails to keep the AI on track. This is the brain of the application, working quietly in the background to ensure reliability.
Transitioning from developer to AI architect feels like a big leap, but remember, you already have the engineering logic. Now you are just applying it to a new stack. Keep learning and stay up to date with the latest industry trends. If you master vector DBs, RAG, and orchestration, you will be future-proof. Thanks for watching The Coder Therapist. Do like and subscribe for more updates. Let's learn and grow together.